ActiLearn.
What flies and makes you wish that you could fly too? What is fun and makes a child's heart flutter in joy? You guessed it right. Birds and board puzzles. What a fun way to incorporate learning, reasoning, and fine motor skills in children. Matching board puzzles help children to become more confident, and it gives them a sense of achievement once the activity is completed. In this video, let's watch Pranav and Kritan play a fun matching board puzzle about birds.
Stork, crane, pelican, kingfisher, heron, penguin, red ibis, egret, swan, flamingo, cormorant, tern, spoonbill, northern lapwing, duck, skua, snipe, cardinal, parrot, rooster, flamingo, hoop, eagle, kingfisher, woodpecker, ostrich, duck, emu, crane, bat, owl, peacock, cuckoo, hen, turkey, myna, sparrow.
As you can see, there's a lot of excitement and thinking going on at the same time. ActiLearn's bird board games and puzzles are a perfect tool to teach fun snippets about different types of birds while the children have fun playing the games. ActiLearn's playing kits provide a joyful learning experience that every child deserves. Interested in ActiLearn? Check out the description box for more details. Thanks for watching the video and do join our social media community. Like, share and subscribe.